Hi, welcome back to our channel, Jagas Kitchen and Vlogs. And today we have a new recipe, and that is, before I say that, please hit the subscribe button below, and of course hit that bell icon for more notifications so I'll be notified anytime we put a new video. Today we all know everyone loves fish curry, but what about vegetarians? That's why today we made wedge fish curry for vegetarians. And it's absolutely like normal fish curry and very tasty. So let's get started. The end of the video. Please give a like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much for watching.